Hey sirs, how's it going? Welcome back. Welcome back to another beautiful video. So guys, first I want to thank you so much for the response for the previous video. It really means a lot to me. It was really heartwarming for me. This is my first video of 7 minutes which is gonna get 1k views. I'm looking forward to it, guys. I'm really glad that you all liked it, and thank you so much. I appreciate it. Also, you might be beautiful exes asking me what games can this PC run, which is Lenovo G5 gaming. So I'm going to do a benchmark. I'm going to use this website, systemrequirementslab.com. So this website basically tells which games can this PC run, which is I'm recording it in right now. So yeah, you know the processor is AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, one of the best processor for gaming and also for streaming. And for video, we use NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, which is super powerful. And the only problem, there is one minor issue in buying this PC, which is the RAM. They give 8 GB. It's upgradable, but when they give 8 GB RAM with this nice spec, it's like having a race car with the average tire. So let's see what games can it run. The most popular, let's go for the top games. Okay, GTA 5 can run. Minimum recommended, we have video card which is very powerful. We have RTX 2060. Definitely GTA 5 is gonna run, no problem. Everything is good. So the next game we're gonna see is Call of Duty. And yeah, let me guess, the only problem our PC have is the RAM. Yeah, I told you, the only problem with this spec is RAM, and it is upgradable. If you are buying this PC, just make sure you buy a RAM like 16 GB or 8 GB, so that you can attach it. Make it 16 or 32, or up to 32 it can manage. So if I do a rank my computer, this is Ryzen, yeah, AMD, you know this, category extreme, generation 20, brand is Ryzen 7, course 8, and it's really nice, guys. Let me just show you category, generation, brand, manufacturer. These are like blah stuff. So graphics is also really nice. Obviously it's one of the best. So the next game is Valorant, Cyberpunk, Counter-Strike, Minecraft, Fortnite, Apex. Yeah, so how many games can I run it? This will almost show everything you need, guys, pretty much. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. I'm really excited. So Valorant, obviously, guys, one of the best, recommended, everything is okay. Cyberpunk, yeah, it is probably will be the RAM. Yeah, I told you, the problem is only RAM. If you upgrade the RAM, this is a freaking beast, mark my words. Counter-Strike, obviously. Minecraft, hell yeah. Fortnite, yep. Apex, the problem will be the RAM. Oh, graphics card, okay. We have 6 GB. It still runs, guys, not in the high clarity, so just chill, okay, if you just upgrade your RAM. Forza Horizon, yeah, RAM. Forza Horizon 4, the RAM is the problem. And yeah, so RPC minimum 99%, guys, almost every single game. RPC Lenovo IdeaCentre G5 gaming can almost run every single game in the minimum requirements, minimum system requirements. And recommended, it's 85%, which is definitely not bad. If you upgrade your RAM, it will probably be 99 or something. Once I get my RAM, I will upgrade my PC and I'll show you. Okay, so guys, that's it for now, I guess. Yeah, you just can see what it can run. It can literally run every single game. GTA 5, hell yeah. Call of Duty Warzone, this is the RAM we just saw. Valorant, yep. Cyberpunk, yeah, RAM. Everything, guys. Counter-Strike, Minecraft, Fortnite, Apex Legends, everything. Generation Impact, Battlefield 5. Oh, it will probably RAM, trust me. Yeah, so RAM is the only problem. So except the RAM, everything is cool. The RAM, everything is RAM. You just upgrade your RAM and this is a freaking beast, trust me, guys. So that's all, guys. Minimum requirements, there we go. It can run 8,696 games out of 8,748 games. Come on, guys, play the rest. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like it, and I hope the exes who've been asking in the comments, I hope it helps. Have a great day, have a great weekend, and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now, boys.